Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, Big Views. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you students out there. We'll be sharing some proven strategies on how to make $10,000 as a student. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're in high school, college, or even grad school, these tips will help you boost your income and work towards that impressive $10,000 goal. So, let's dive right in. Freelancing. The first strategy we recommend is freelancing. Freelancing allows you to leverage your skills and expertise to earn money on a flexible schedule. You can offer services like graphic design, writing, programming, or even social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are great places to start your freelancing journey. Part-time jobs. Another way to reach your $10,000 goal is by taking up part-time jobs. Look for opportunities on campus or off-campus that can fit into your schedule. These jobs can range from working at a local coffee shop, bookstore, or as a tutor. Online tutoring. Speaking of tutoring, online tutoring has become increasingly popular. If you excel in a particular subject, consider tutoring other students online through platforms like Chegg Tutors, Wiseant, or even on your own social media. It's not only a great way to make money but also to reinforce your knowledge. Selling online. Next up, selling online. You can sell products on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. If you're creative, you can make and sell crafts, artwork, or even digital products like ebooks. The possibilities are endless, and it's a fantastic way to tap into your entrepreneurial spirit. Content creation. If you're passionate about something, consider starting a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast. Create content around your interests and build an audience. Once you have a following, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Internships. Another valuable strategy is to seek internships related to your field of study. Internships not only provide you with real-world experience but can also pay well, especially in fields like engineering, computer science, and business. Saving and investing. Now, let's talk about what to do with the money you're earning. It's essential to develop good financial habits. Save a portion of your earnings and consider investing it wisely. Learning about stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles can help your money grow over time. Side hustles. Last but not least, explore side hustles that align with your interests and skills. Whether it's dog walking, photography, or event planning, a side hustle can boost your income and diversify your experiences. And there you have it, our top strategies on how to make $10,000 as a student. Remember, it's all about leveraging your skills, being resourceful, and managing your money wisely. Don't forget to balance your academics and your income-generating activities. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your own money-making tips for students, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep hustling, stay focused, and remember that with dedication and determination, you can achieve your financial goals as a student. Good luck on your journey to making $10,000.